PCOD is so very common nowadays because earlier females used to be very active physically, and nowadays many females are in corporate jobs. They don't do any physical activity, no physical work. Second thing is they are more fed on fast foods, and those fast foods are, I'm not talking about burger or noodles or anything, pizza, corners. I'm talking about fast food has entered our kitchens. How it has entered our kitchen? Because what now we are using is wheat flour, which is packeted, which is no brand, very refined flour. Previously, we used to get the chakki ka pisa atta, which was full of bran. That chakki ka atta or bran flour used to absorb all the fat, and it was rich in fiber. So we were protected from diabetes, high blood pressure, and obesity. Nowadays, all these three diseases have cropped into our system. This PCOD is a complex disease. It's not only ovarian disease. It comprises of high blood pressure, diabetes, obesity, and irregular menses. So this is the reason, because we are on fast food and no physical activity, we are having all the risk factors which are associated with PCOD. And this is why nowadays it's more common than it was previously.